Kay Benoy. Kay Benoy. Balik.
Yan, hindi yan sila dito. Pwedeng hit sa kumarin na in the making BF na sumasimba kahit ang username ay vacant.
Kana ko yung JNTP.
Kay Benoy. Balik, dalawang laro pa yan. Sino manalo doon? Yun yung kalaban namin.
Patabi-tabi naman sa tingin ng popping. Hindi rin naglalaya na kung may pagkakasimis cash. Sana yung big bag. Alam mo si big bag. Ganyan gumawa sa akin sa food chain.
2 points by Mac. Si Gajet na po si Ma'am. Ma'am, tsaka si JL mo kakapin.
Oo. Team sila.
Okay, may nakawal ito.
Sige. All two. 2 points by.
4 ka na dito.
4-2. 2 points by Dog. Team E, 4-2. Oras, 8 minutes and 49 seconds. Rod, taking 3. Wala. Rebound pa Ime. Ime.
Walang
Nakita-shoot, shoot. 2 points by Ime. Wala. Hindi na shoot. 4-2 pa rin. Jenson. Kakalit. 4-2 ha, 4-2.
Sabi mo na sa ako nakashoot guys.
Dice, taking 3. Adrian, Dice. Score. 5.
3-4-5, ano?
5-4. Rebound by Jenson. Jenson, namamadali. Touch pass to Ime. Pinani, block by Rod. 5-4. Oras, 7 minutes and 52 seconds. 7 minutes and 52 seconds. To Ime. Ime. Sa kanya pa rin. Back to Jenson. To Mark. Mark making 3. Touch pass kay Ime. To guys, to Ime. To Rod, taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Mark. Lumipad. 2 points by Mark. Score. 7-4. 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Mark. Palabas turun. Wala. Rebound by Dice. 7-4. Itay tulok. 50. Dice intercepted. Nakuha pa rin. Rod.
Una ka na kaya.
Dice. 2 points by Dice. Pass to Ilaya. Number 15. Ilaya. Take 2. Wala. Rebound by Jenson.
Una na kaya. Ingat kaya.
Nalaman mo yata. Walang inuman. Eating meron.
9-4. So, Ilaya to Tablo. Song. Wala. Rebound by Song pa rin. Song. To Rod. Lumipad. Wala. Rebound by Ilaya. To Ilaya pa rin. Oras. 6 minutes and 14. Anong ratol? Out of bounds. Score. 9-4 in favor of Team D. Nice. Intercepted by JL. Tulaya. Nauna na. Touch pass. Nauna ni Mark. Oras. 5 minutes and 47. Intercepted by JL. JL lumipad? Wala. JL pa rin kaya? Nakuha ni Dog. Taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Rod. Tuloy pa rin. 9-4 pa rin. In favor of Team D. Jenson. To Mark. All alone. Taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Rod. 5 minutes and 25 seconds. To Mac. Block pero foul. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Score. 9-4 pa rin. Last possession before change. Pag na-shoot, change na. Durod. Lumipad. Change. Good. Ay, foul. Foul pala, foul. 9-4 pa rin. Tumar, hindi sa dito Ilaya, pag na-shoot, change na. Close lang. 2 points. Change court na tayo. Ilaya, number 15. Score. 9-6.
Nasira na.
9-6.
Model ka sa gitna.
Day 3, wala. Rebound by Mac. Mac, tingin mo. Mac pa rin. Tingin sa para. So Ilaya, touch pass to JL. Touch, Ilaya, to Mac. 4 minutes and 27 seconds. Rod, lumipad. Wow!
Si Kurt. Kurt, papwesto nga ako dito. Nahihilo ako.
So JL sa ilalim po na 4 minutes and 10 seconds. 9-6.
Akin na ba?
Dito to Jelson. 9-6. Jelson! 2 points by Jelson. 50. 11-6. Mac, taking 2. 2 points na naman by Mac Bulasi. 11-8. In favor of 50. Jelson na naman, touch back to Ime. Bumangga, Ime sa ilalim. Ime pa rin. Ime pa rin. Mark. Long 2. 2 points by Mark Castillo. 50.
Anong...
38.
Panalo ba ito kanina sila?
3 minutes and 20 seconds. Mac, taking his move. Mac, 3 minutes and 10 seconds. 13. 10. 13-10 in favor of 50 pa rin. All alone, Ibe, 2 points by 50. Ibe, 15-10. 2 minutes and 57. Mac, wala. Rebound by Jenson. Nakanya pa rin, 2 minutes and 44. Intercepted by Ron, pero nakuha pa rin ni Ibe. Ibe, to Dais, taking 2. Wala, rebound by Jenson. To Dais pa rin. 2 points by Dais, 17-10. Oras, 2 minutes and 29. To Ilaya, making his move. 2 points by Ilaya, pero foul, sayang. 17-10 in favor of Gimli.
His love you die for, the kind that colors the sky.
To Dodo taking 2 points by Don Tapios. 17-12. Rod, lumipad, block, pero by foul. Foul by jersey number 4, JL Villarete. 17-12 in favor of 50. Ibe, warapas to, wala connection, wala, rebound by back. Oras, 1 minute and 39, lumipad. Wala, rebound by Dais, 1 minute and 35. Dais making his move, behind the back pass. Ibe taking 2, wala, rebound by Mark, taking 2, wala pa rin, rebound by Rod. 1 minute and 20 seconds, foul. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Score, 17-12 in favor of 50. 1 minute and 10 seconds na lang ang nalalabi. 1 minute and 10 seconds. So Ilaya to Mac. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Mac taking 2. Wala. Rebound by JL. Foul.
Bakit na nakarelog? Meron.
18-12 pa lang malahan. 18-12. To Dais. Last 47 seconds. Last 43 seconds. zone, wala. Tais 2 points for Tais, 20 12. 36 seconds. Trinaya. Anong habol? Ang habol ay double. Last 29 seconds. 2012. 2012. Last 23 seconds. Isda, Tais, 19 seconds.